I had to have my teacher cut a hole in the back of the skull to remove the brain since we're using the original skull, not taking it off for an artificial one. Okay, now I'm going to scan from before. God, I got this nickel tangled up. Hold on. Why are such things? Oh, it's the last one. Tuck down back over the skull. Like so. Very shade. Just the eyeball a little bit. Just this one over this one. Alright, mark where this one is. See? This is what it looks like on the other side before I put the eyeball in. Just blue. And that's what it comes out like. Actually, that's a piece of flesh right there. Oops. Tear that part off. Yeah. Anyways, see? After, before. After. It's kind of scary eyeball. Okay. Before. Nice. Okay. Now I'm gonna mark this eyeball though. How should I poke it around here? You know, shape of the eye, so I can kind of center it somewhat. Let's see. Oops. Cut up in the jawbone. Snip every time. Okay. Slides right on over there. See, that's where I marked the eye. I don't know if I already showed you guys this, but see, look up. Alright, stick the eyeball into the clay once more. Push it down into that. And I'm going to tuck slightly forward facing. I'm going to push just a little bit on the front here, because I want more forward-looking iris type thing going on there. Okay, just like so. Push down and tuck. Okay, now push down a little more. Up. And more back here. Here we're just, basically what I'm doing right now is I'm just, making it so the eyeball really holds into the clay, because when you hang this up, you do not want your eyeballs popping out. Not that they would, but you never know. And they might just sort of migrate down somewhere else. That wouldn't be very nice either. That would not make for a happy customer. Okay, I need to fill out a little bit right here along this ridge bone, because it's kind of indented and I don't want that. So we're going to do that. Use eye. Here we go. Let's do this here. Like that. It's a little too bad. Okay. Just get the axis here. Smooth that out nice. Don't want any unnatural looking bumps or lumps underneath here. Okay. Now we're going to check and see if the eyes here are symmetrical. And they almost look to be somewhat forward. Like so. Okay. I'll check for symmetrical across this way and also from this view. And that'd be the right. It is a little too high. Forward. They don't have to be exactly perfect, it just looks better if they're somewhat, well, pretty symmetrical. Okay, see? Oops, that's not what you want to see. Okay. See, they're pretty much even. the back too. Sticks out. Okay, perfect. Now we are going to slide the scalp back over the duck's skull and arrange eyelids so that they just sit right on over with lovely little eyeballs. Heavy little duck. And once you've blow dried, it'll look much better. Much less like a wet piece of roadkill. Okay. And there we have one very much and of course, now if they're still looking a little off and you have them, in and skull over, now it's adjusting since these ones don't have wires in the back of them, makes it easier to move around. A lot of it is also here. How do you position? Yeah. Want it with expression and not so it looks like just a glass-eyed stuffed duck. So, I want to put this down a little bit. Over and then dry. Okay, and there we have it. That is one eyeball duck. Now before I can sew up this bottom slit here, I still have to go through the entire duck body. I have to put borax in it, which helps soak up the any excess fat that I might have missed and helps dry out the skin. I will have to stuff the whole beak full of clay, and that will dry and then hold it shut. I'm also going to have to fill in this part right down through there will have to be filled with clay. The back of the skull, I don't think will need to be filled with clay. Yep, that'll have to be stuffed too. Though the empty brain cavity will probably just be stuffed with pillow stuff instead of clay because it's kind of overkill. So, yeah. And also before I can sew up this lovely gaping hole in this poor bugger's neck, I will have to put in necking and do some final stuffing. Alright, that is how you put glass eyes in a duck. See, the expression of it really is important at this stage. You'll do that in your final, very final steps. You can put up this feather so it looks like a punk rocker. Oh yeah, punk rock duck. And yeah, thanks for watching. Bye!